Welcome to our channel, Positive Vibes for Success.
Start today. Don't miss these 6 muscle-building foods plus powerful affirmations for strength. Struggling to build lean muscle? You're training hard but results feel slow? I've been there. Today I'll share 6 science-backed foods to fuel muscle growth, recovery, and strength. Stick around for a bonus tip that'll supercharge your gains. Building muscle isn't just about lifting heavy, it's about fueling your body with the right nutrients. You need protein to repair muscles, carbs to power workouts, and fats to support hormones. Let's break down the top 6 foods to transform your physique. The 6 best foods for muscle growth. 1. Avocados, the hormone-boosting fat. Avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats that support testosterone production, a key hormone for muscle growth. Plus, their anti-inflammatory properties speed up recovery. Add half an avocado to meals for healthy calories. 2. Chicken and lean meats. The protein foundation: chicken breast, turkey, high-quality protein to repair torn muscle fibers. Aim for 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight daily. Grill, bake, or shred it into meals for maximum muscle-building benefits. 3. Rice, the glycogen-replenishing carb. Carbs aren't the enemy. Rice fuels intense workouts and restores muscle glycogen post-training. Pair 1 to 2 cups with protein for a muscle repair power combo. Opt for brown rice for added fiber and nutrients. 4. Nuts and nut butters. Protein-packed calories. Almonds, peanuts, and cashews deliver protein, healthy fats, and calories. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter add 8 grams of protein and 190 calories. Perfect for snacks, oatmeal, or post-workout shakes. 5. Whole eggs, the complete protein. Eggs are a muscle-building staple. The whites provide pure protein, while yolks contain cholesterol. Yes, it's good for hormones, and vitamins like B12 for energy. Eat 3 to 4 eggs daily for a quick, affordable protein boost. 6. Protein smoothies, post-workout recovery MVP. Blend whey protein, Greek yogurt, bananas, and oats for a 30 grams protein shake that repairs muscles fast. Liquid calories are absorbed quicker, ideal for post-gym recovery when your body needs nutrients most. Bonus tip: timing matters. Eat protein within 30 minutes of training to maximize muscle synthesis. Combine it with carbs, like fruit or rice, to spike insulin and shuttle nutrients into muscles. And never skip leg day. Consistency beats perfection. Call to action. Ready to turn these foods into a meal plan? Subscribe for my 7-day muscle-building diet and workout guide. Drop a comment below. What's your #1 muscle-building struggle? Let's crush those goals together.